My mandatory non-negotiable, if you're on my team, we don't judge, we help. Let's stop judging, start helping. In fact, if you worked for me, on the back of your badge, you would have that reminder question: how can I help? And whenever you'd come to me frustrated and venting and tattling on somebody else, I would call time out. I would say, I hear your feelings. We're gonna leave all the venting stuff on the table. That's just work of the ego, made up stuff. Let's get back to the reality. What do you know for sure? And let's open up that part of you that is helpful, that is the value you add. We don't add value in perfect circumstances with people behaving perfectly. We add value in conserving energy and putting it in places for impact in imperfect circumstances. So if you came into me and you were blasting, it's like, well, IT had to stay during the whole crisis and we haven't had any chance. We never got to work from home and we've always had to be here and nobody else is even concerned about that and they don't care about our workload. And I just got a call. I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. Time out. Who are you most mad at? Well, the field. The field doesn't care about us and they're always dumping on us and it's absolutely ridiculous and they can't manage the way I have a paper bag. Time out. I care about you. I just have a question. What could you be doing to help right now? What do you mean? Do you know what you could do to be most helpful? No. You got your badge, pull out your question, stop judging, take that question, how can I help? Get on the phone with a couple of the field folks. You ask them as IT, how could I help you adopt this more easily? How could I help you know where these resources are? How could I help you discern whether to call in at these times or these times? How can I help is the only response to our team members, our customers, our patients. It keeps us plugged in and playing on purpose with our authentic self, able to give all the gifts we have. If you're judging, I tell you what, that is the key source of your burnout. It is hard to say that negative all day and not feed your soul with having had any impact. When you judge, you disengage and you become the victim. There's nothing I can do. When you toggle up and you're focused on helping, you see hundreds of ways you can plug and play and you naturally engage and you show up for meaningful work. When we talk about engagement, folks, people are looking for meaningful work. It's there, but when you're judging, you step down from the most meaningful work, the most complex, messy, tough stuff. And then you complain about not having meaningful work. You really have to focus on choosing happiness, choosing to plug and play.